You don't always need a major renovation to fall in love with your home again. Sometimes it's the smallest changes that have the biggest impact. Today, I'm sharing 10 small home upgrades that can make your home look better, function better, and make you enjoy living there even more. First, update your lighting. Replacing dated light fixtures is one of the quickest and most affordable ways to modernize a home. Good lighting doesn't just improve how your home looks, it completely changes how it feels. Next, replace your cabinet hardware. New handles and drawer pulls are like jewelry for your kitchen or bathroom. It's a simple upgrade that can instantly refresh older cabinets without replacing them. Another easy improvement is installing a new faucet. Whether it's in your kitchen or bathroom, a stylish faucet adds both function and personality, and it's something you'll appreciate every single day. While you're at it, don't overlook your light switches and outlet covers. If they're yellowed, cracked, or covered in paint, replacing them is inexpensive and can make a surprisingly big difference throughout your home. Of course, we can't talk about home improvements without mentioning paint. A fresh coat of paint remains one of the best investments you can make. Whether you're brightening a room or updating the color, paint has the power to completely transform the space. Improving storage is another upgrade you'll appreciate every day. Pull-out shelves, drawer organizers, hooks, and floating shelves can help reduce clutter and make your home much easier to live in. If your bathroom or kitchen has old, cracked, or moldy caulking, replacing it is one of the easiest ways to make the entire room look cleaner and better maintained. It's a small project with a huge visual payoff. Another upgrade that instantly makes a home feel more custom is replacing narrow, builder-grade baseboards with taller trim. It adds character and gives your home a more finished, high-end appearance. If your kitchen feels dated, consider installing a new backsplash. It's often the focal point of the room, and updating it can completely change the look of your kitchen without a full renovation. And finally, don't forget your interior door hardware. Replacing old doorknobs and hinges with a modern finish creates a more cohesive look throughout your home. It's one of those subtle details that people notice without even realizing why the house feels more updated. The great thing about all of these projects is that none of them require a full renovation, but together they can dramatically improve how your home looks and functions. So which one of these would you tackle first? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more renovation tips and ideas to help you love your home.